Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic February edition beauty box. So before I get started, if you are brand new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and of course if you like and enjoy this video then please give it a big thumbs up. Now let's jump into the unboxing. This is what the beauty box looks like this month. So it's a kind of peachy orange box, and inside there are 6 products. I have a discount code for 10% off this subscription plan. I will leave it down below in the description box for you, but that will get you 10% off either just a one-off box you want to try it for the first time, or 10% off 3, 6 or 12 month subscription plans. So yeah, feel free to use that code if you want to save yourself a little bit of money. Inside we get this magazine which tells us all about the products, and there is also in the back here a sneak peek for next month's box. So this is a sneak peek for the March box. It's the Christoph Robin Regenerating Hair Mask, so that's it right there, and it is worth £9.77. And then on the other side here it shows us some limited editions. So this one up here is available already. This is the Valentine's Day collection. I unboxed that a few videos ago. If you haven't seen that already then I'll link it in the eye for you. But that box has a value of £192, and there's some really good products inside there, like really good ones and full size ones. And then there's also this one here which is the Mother's Day collection. So I'm not sure how much that box is worth yet, but there's a sneak peek here for it, and it is a Caudalie Firming Cashmere Cream. So that sounds really nice and I'm excited about that. Like, the box is really pretty for that. The first thing we get inside this month's box is this Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. So this is a cream exfoliator which will exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. It's non-abrasive, it's got fruit enzymes inside which make your skin soft, revitalised and radiant. So yeah, that sounds really nice. I'm looking forward to using that, and that is a 15 ml. You'll either get this one or you'll get the Madara SOS Hydra Recharge Cream, which is that right there. That sounds nice as well. It says it will help with dehydrated and stressed skin of all types. Next thing we get inside is this Magnetone Wipeout makeup removing pads. So these are reusable makeup pads which are obviously going to help to cut down on the amount of cotton rounds that we use on our face. So it says that these can be used over 1,000 times. They're really soft and actually really cute. These will be really good for removing your mascara, because you want something quite soft, you know, for your lashes. Like, you want to have something really soft. Another thing about these, actually, it says here is you don't have to use any cleanser on these. So they say you can just apply some warm water to them and then just removes your makeup. So that's interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing how that goes. But yeah, so really cute. Next thing we get is this Bubble Tea Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter. So basically you can use this all over your body, and it says it soothes, nourishes and uplifts the whole body. So yeah, I'm excited to give that a go. The next thing we get is this Illamasqua Beyond Veil. So this, I think, is a little bit different from the other one that I have, like the Hydra Veil, because it says here it combines the Hydra Veil Primer and the Beyond Powder, and it will hydrate and illuminate the skin all in one. So yeah, I am looking forward to seeing how this goes. Let me just check it out. That's what it looks like inside. So it is like a jelly kind of formula, and of course will prime our skin and also give us a nice glow. It's got vitamin C inside and also has fruit extracts. Next thing we get is the Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. So this is of course going to be like a little glowing face mask with AHA in it. It says a triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. Yeah, so this sounds nice. I'm looking forward to giving that a go. And then we also get this little product here from Ico. This is a lid gloss, so it's a cream eyeshadow, and I have the shade JODIEC, because you will get either this one or another one. So you'll get JODIEC, which is a warm rosy copper, or you'll get Stardust, which is a shimmering silver. So that's the two shades available across the box there. So that's all the products inside this month's box, and there's some nice products in here. Like I like the Elemis Enzyme Peel, and the Illamasqua Beyond Veil sounds really nice. And of course these little Magnetone cotton rounds, these are going to come in really handy. So they are my 3 favourite products from this month's edition. I would love to know what your favourite product is in the box. If you're interested in this box and haven't already signed up for a subscription, then I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. I also have a discount code where you can get 10% off either a one-off box if you want to try it out for the first time, or 10% off 3, 6 or 12 month subscription plans. So I will leave that down, all the info to that down below in the description box for you. That's it for this unboxing. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.